Oftentimes on motherboards, you break a cable clip. These are the small black clips that hold down your ribbon cables. Show you what I mean here. These two things right here, these are cable clips. See, they fold up and then they fold down to hold in your ribbon cables. A lot of times on motherboards, you'll break these during repairs. They're very, very fragile. They're easy to break. Or you'll buy a replacement motherboard and they won't have them. So in this video, we're going to show you how to install a new one. But also as a side point, oftentimes you won't find these for sale. eBay, Amazon, you just won't find these. They don't sell them. They don't have a part number. They're very hard to find. So if you can find one for your specific motherboard and your specific cable, then great. Hopefully they're not price gouging you too much. If you can't find one, your only other option is to buy an as-is broken motherboard and then take it off of that, which is very tricky in itself because, again, you can break the exact piece you're trying to salvage. So I'm going to show you how to install one on a motherboard that doesn't have one. And I'll also show you how to take one and salvage one from another motherboard in the event that you did have to purchase that motherboard. So all you're going to need is a tiny little flathead. It's relatively easy. First I'll show you how to salvage these two, and then I'll show you how to install them on a motherboard that doesn't have any. So first thing you want to do, you want to open your cable clips, fold them up as if you were going to put the ribbon cable in. And then if you notice on each side, there are these little walls in your cradle. These walls hold your cable clip in. If you try to pull this cable clip out with a pair of pliers or with your fingers, you're going to break it. They're extremely fragile, which you know because that's probably why you're replacing it. So to salvage this, you're going to want to take out these walls. So take your small flathead, make sure not to touch your cable clip, break these walls right out. And again, you're doing this because you just purchased an as-is broken motherboard anyway, so don't worry about breaking it further. It's junk. So okay, so I've broken off my two little walls. Those are junk. Now I have my cable clip. It's still there. What I want to do is very carefully place this on the cable clip. Give it a little bit of pressure. Oops, a little bit more. Oops, a little more. Popped it right off. Double check that you didn't break it. See, you have the, where am I showing you? Pin here, you're all set. You didn't break it. So that's how you would remove these cable clips. Now, please keep in mind on other motherboards, this will apply to 90% of cable clips. 90% of them look like this. If yours doesn't look like this, please message us or look for another video because there's a different way to take them off. But if you fold up your clip and there's two little walls there, this is how you take it off. Bend that out, break it. Bend that out, break it. See what I did? I broke the two little walls off. Broke. Now I just push this out. Oop. See? So that's how you would salvage it from a motherboard if you did indeed need to do that. Now, here's another motherboard. See, the walls are not broken. So let's say this is your laptop that you need one for. So this is the clip that we just took off, that we just salvaged. A lot of people try to put this down in here and they'll try to bend it and you're gonna break it, so. Okay, so there's a part on this clip where your fingernail fits underneath. That's gonna go on top, so you can get your fingernail under it. So make sure you don't have it upside down. You want to line up the grooves with all the gold teeth. Very careful, it's breakable. Okay, line it up as best you can. See, I have it in there, but it's not like fastened yet. I lined it up as best I could. Now I just want to push it in. Oh, hear that snap? Okay, that's what you're looking for. Be very, very careful. These are breakable. You know that. You already broke one. So you lined it up. Then you put a finger on it or something, try to keep it stable, and then push those ends in. Snip, snip. And you hear that little clip, and that's in there. So see, it's not falling off now. It's in there good. And you can put your fingernail under it, bend it up, just like you should be able to. Put that ribbon cable in, fold it back down. Alright, so that's how you salvage one, and that's how you install one. Again, be very, very careful with these. They're very breakable, and you'll be very lucky if you can find them for sale. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you have any motherboards where you're trying to replace a cable, and the cradles and the cables don't look quite like that, it is a slightly different procedure. We'll try to get a video up on those soon. With any questions, feel free to ask. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you next time.